Hello everybody, welcome back with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to talk about the gold trade for today. So first of all we will discuss about our previous analysis. We did this analysis in our previous video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch that video. So just wait a second, I can show you where you can watch this video. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel FxFaisal. You can watch this video. 6 days ago we upload this video. We did this analysis in our previous video, and you can see this video. We did this analysis in that video. Market was almost here when we said that market will go towards this supply area. There was a supply area, then there will be a chance that market will go towards the 1760 area. But market break this resistance level, make a resistance level. Now basically market is going towards downward, so we are looking for 1760. This is a long-term scenario, so we will discuss about our intraday trading. First of all, we will remove unnecessary areas. Let's remove this area, remove this area, remove this area also. Okay, so this is the resistance level here. This is the H4 time frame. This was the previous resistance level. Now this area is acting as a support level. Okay, so basically we are looking for a sell trade below this support level, and we are looking for buy trade above this resistance level here. Okay, so these are the trading plan of gold for today. Analysis are simple. There's a support level. If market break this support level, then we will look for sell trade. If market break this support level, then we will again look for sell trade. And if market break this resistance level, then there is a high probability chance that market will go towards the 1850. So these are the trading plan of gold for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and your forex groups, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. We upload daily live forex analysis of gold, GBP/USD and GBP/JPY. Nowadays we are busy in our copy trading services, so that's why we are not regular on our YouTube channel for daily live analysis. So you can join our copy trading service also. Contact us on WhatsApp to join our copy trading service. Our number of WhatsApp is given in the description box. You can contact us on WhatsApp and join our copy trading service. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.